Hi, welcome back. For our next activity, you are going to need your journal, a pencil, and your timeline. So pause the video, go get those things, and come right back. All right, so yesterday you sent me some beautiful pictures of your timeline and told me a lot of information about what happened in the story. Now, some of you really remembered every single detail, which was wonderful. But today, you're going to have to take all that information and boil it down into 4 sentences. Okay? I don't want to know everything that happened in the story. I want you to take just the main idea for each section. To show you what I mean, let me get my journal here. And I have written 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences. So you listen to what my sentences are, and I'll try to show you the picture. So if you look at my picture on my timeline, you see a table with 3 bowls on it. All right. Now, I did not say when the bears got home, they saw someone had been eating their porridge. Daddy Bear said, someone's been eating my porridge. And Mama Bear said, somebody's been eating my porridge. And Baby Bear, somebody's been eating my porridge. And they ate it all up. I didn't write all that. That all happened, but I don't want to rewrite the story. I only want to write one sentence that tells most of what happened in that part of the story. So I wrote first, because on my timeline, that was the first thing, right? So I wrote, first, the bears saw the bowls. And that's all I wrote for that section, okay? Because that is the most important part. They saw the bowls. Everything else is just a detail about that. I just want the bare minimum about what happened, okay? Then my next part, you can see I have next, and then I have the 3 chairs, don't I? All right, so my first word in my next sentence is going to be next. Next, they saw the chairs, right? I didn't need to write. Papa Bear said, somebody's been sitting in my bed. Mama Bear said, somebody's been sitting in my chair. And Baby Bear said, somebody's been sitting in my chair and they broke it. I don't need all that, okay? I just want to know what happens in this section in general terms, okay? So I say, next, they saw the chairs. Okay, if I look at my next picture, you can see, let me go like this so we don't get confused, all right? I have the word then, and I see the beds, and I see Goldilocks sleeping in the bed, okay? Am I going to write, then Papa Bear said, somebody's been sleeping in my bed. And Mama Bear said, somebody's been sleeping in my bed. And Baby Bear said, somebody's been sleeping in my bed, and she's still there. No, I'm not going to write all that. Those are details about the story, but I just want the basics, just one short sentence that tells a little bit about what happens in this section. So I wrote, then, oops, I need to write my Y on there. See, I did not proofread this. I did not edit. I put then the, and I need then they. Okay, so let me show you again. Then they saw the beds and Goldilocks sleeping. Okay, those are the main facts. All right, and then the last frame of my timeline says last, And see, I have Papa Bear and Mama Bear. I have Goldilocks and I have Baby Bear. And I don't want to talk all about the ice cream. I don't want to talk about how Mama came and picked up Goldilocks. I don't want to talk about all the extra things about how she fixed the chair and did the dishes. I just want one simple sentence to sum up what happened. And for that, I wrote, last they all became friends, right? Because they did. She wasn't afraid of them and they weren't mad at her anymore. They worked together and they became friends. So, this is going to be a challenge to some of you who want to include every little detail. And you're going to have to kind of snip it down into just the main facts. 4 sentences. You should be able to get it all on this page and this page, okay? If it takes you much more than that, then you're probably putting too much information in. Okay, so go ahead and do that. When you are finished with that, I'm going to have a brain break for you. And then we are going to get busy on some math, okay? So, simple, 4 sentences. First word in the first sentence is first. Second sentence starts with next. The third sentence starts with then. And the last sentence starts with last. Okay? All right, can't wait to see them. Bye.